Welcome to Tapeta Page Builder Guide. Today we'll be learning about layout elements. Layout elements are used to create different layout structures on your page, like full width, partial width, multiple columns, or grid. Layout elements are rarely standalone, but most of the time will contain other elements. Some usual actions that you can do with layout elements are changing the background color or image, increase the spacing, change the border radius or color, or change the column layout. Please note that you can make any settings specifically for each device to make your pages responsive.